All right, you guys, welcome back to another episode. This is Cars and Stuff. In this episode, we are going to be reorganizing my garage. I did get all the walls painted, as you can see, and got the ceiling painted. So now it's time to really get the garage set up the way I like it. My son is going to be helping me with that, and I also got my dog in here. So with the help of my friends, we are going to get this garage to look absolutely awesome. So stay tuned. There's going to be lots to come. So it's basically a lot more organized now. Let me give you guys a little bit of a tour. So these are some wheels that I've got for the GS 430. I still have to do a proper introduction of that car onto the channel because I am going to be doing some videos on it. Over here in the corner, I just got some gas cans. The gas cans are empty, but there's a little bit of propane left in those tanks. Paint, and then some of my yard supplies. I use the electric stuff because my yard isn't big enough to do anything more than, it's just a small yard. So I got my little generator here. Got my electric mower. And then this is what I call the parts department. I got a lot going on, so I got some fans, and then I got some parts for the Land Cruiser up there, and in this bin in here, there's a lot of parts in that bin. And then I've got a bunch of tools in here that I use from time to time. Some of them are specialty tools, and I got a bunch of oil and other house supplies and different tapes, tie down. So looks messy, but I know where everything is. My toolbox, guys, I desperately need a new toolbox because this, as you can see, it's just overflowing with stuff. It's all stuff that I use, all stuff that I know exactly where it is, etc., etc. But I do need to upgrade my toolbox because that is an old toolbox. Got a little compressor that I've had for a long time. This is actually a Matco compressor. However, if you read somewhere over here, I forgot where it says, but long story short, this is a Matco compressor, but it's actually an Ingersoll brand. It was made by Ingersoll brand, and I've had it for a very long time. It's always worked for me very well. It is a great compressor. And I've got, my son likes to call it my all-American door. Basically a little, bald eagle action. And then my mom actually painted this painting for me of a picture that my buddy Scott took from a truck that was for sale on the side of the road. I just love this painting. I think it goes really well on top of my bench. I put it nice and high so I don't get it dirty when I'm doing stuff. But yeah, you know, I got my handy dandy Vice carpet cleaner. I gotta get that out of here. And then some other parts and stuff that I gotta go through. Yeah, I got a little Green Bay Packers. That's my football team. A little Green Bay Packers cap. I gotta put that somewhere. And here's the subwoofer that came off of the LX450 and the CD player. If anybody wants that CD player, I'll be happy to ship it out to them. And then my son's area. So over here, we've got a little setup for him. I built these tables, these benches a while back, and I've done a lot with them. As you can see, they're pretty dirty, but they're very durable, and I've put a lot of weight on them, and they continue to rock and roll. I've never been able to break one. But this is my son's little area, and then I also have twins. So I have 3 kids, but this is gonna be their area basically. Yeah, guys, so the floor is gonna need some attention at some point. This is where I've got some of my tools, like my ladder and, you know, shovels. And anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Just a quick update of stuff I got going on with the garage. I think with the walls painted and the trim and everything organized the way I have it, I think I'm going to be able to make some higher quality videos, and I'm really excited for that. So like, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any comments as far as suggestions. I do have tools that I need to basically you know, make stands for. Like, I got my little grinder. Where it is, there it is, right here, bench grinder. I think I'm gonna put that over here in between, where is it, right there, in between the 2 garage doors. I think I'm gonna make a little stand for that, and so that'll be another quick little video. I got my pirate flag. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Always open to suggestions. Have a great day. See you on the next one.